In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView Paper Trading. By the end, you'll know exactly how to wipe your practice account clean and set a fresh starting balance so you can test new ideas without old trades getting in the way. First, open any chart in TradingView. Along the bottom of the screen, look for the trading panel. If you don't see it, hover near the bottom edge and expand it. In the panel, locate Paper Trading and make sure it's connected. You'll typically see a status that indicates it's connected. If it isn't, click to connect so the reset options are available. This step ensures you're working with the built-in simulator and not a live brokerage connection. With Paper Trading active, find your paper account section. Next to your account name, there's a settings gear icon. Click that. If you don't see the gear, you can also open the account drop-down in the same area. Both paths lead to the same menu where reset options live. In the menu that appears, choose Reset Account, sometimes labeled Reset Paper Trading Account. The exact wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that clears your simulated account. Clicking it will open a confirmation window with a few important settings. Here, you can set a new starting balance. This is your simulated cash, so pick an amount that matches the size you want to practice with. You can also choose the account currency, which is helpful if you primarily trade assets priced in a specific currency. In some cases, you'll also see a leverage setting. If it's available for your paper account, adjust it to reflect the conditions you want to simulate. If you don't see leverage, that's normal. Just proceed with the balance and currency. Before confirming, double-check these choices. Resetting is a clean slate action. When you confirm the reset, TradingView will remove all open positions and any active orders you've placed. It will also erase your trade history, your profit and loss, and the entire account history tied to this paper profile. After the reset completes, your paper account starts fresh with the settings you selected. Once you're back on the chart, you'll see a cleared account ready for new simulated trades. This process affects only the paper account, giving you a risk-free environment to practice strategies, refine entries and exits, and test different position sizes. If you ever need to start over again, just repeat these same steps. That's all there is to it. Resetting your TradingView paper trading account is quick, controlled, and perfect for getting a clean testing environment anytime you need one.